Starting a manufacturing business does not always require a large factory, expensive machinery, or a huge team. Many successful businesses started inside a small garage with a simple idea, basic equipment, and a commitment to solving real customer problems. In this video, we'll explore 15 micro-manufacturing units that can be launched from a home garage. Number 1. Customized wooden products manufacturing. Customized wooden products such as shelves, organizers, decorative signs, and small furniture pieces continue to attract strong demand from homeowners and businesses. With basic woodworking tools and creative designs, you can produce high-value products from a small garage workshop. Number 2. Eco-friendly candle manufacturing. Handmade candles have evolved far beyond simple home decor products. Customers are now looking for scented, decorative, and eco-friendly candles that offer unique designs and premium experiences. Number 3. 3D printed product manufacturing. A modern 3D printer can produce hundreds of useful products, including organizers, replacement parts, toys, prototypes, and educational tools. This business allows entrepreneurs to manufacture customized products without investing in large machinery. Number 4. Customized phone case manufacturing. People constantly upgrade their smartphones and often look for personalized accessories. A small printing setup can help you create customized phone cases for individuals, schools, businesses, and online customers. Number 5. Laser engraved gift manufacturing. Laser engraving machines allow you to personalize wooden plaques, metal tags, keychains, notebooks, and gift items. Personalized products often command higher profit margins because customers value uniqueness. Number 6. Pet accessories manufacturing. Pet owners continue spending more money on their animals every year. Manufacturing pet tags, feeding stands, toy organizers, and simple pet products can become a profitable niche business. Number 7. Handmade soap manufacturing. Consumers increasingly prefer natural and chemical-free personal care products. Handmade soaps with unique ingredients, fragrances, and packaging can create a strong brand and loyal customer base. Number 8. Acrylic sign manufacturing. Businesses, cafes, retail stores, and home offices frequently need decorative signs and branding displays. Acrylic sign manufacturing requires relatively little space while offering attractive profit potential. Number 9. Resin art product manufacturing. Resin products such as coasters, trays, decorative pieces, and desktop accessories remain popular among home decor enthusiasts. Creative designs can help small manufacturers stand out in crowded markets. Number 10. Leather goods manufacturing. Small leather products like wallets, card holders, keychains, and notebook covers can be produced from a garage workshop. Premium craftsmanship often allows manufacturers to charge higher prices. Number 11. Customized trophy and award manufacturing. Schools, sports clubs, businesses, and organizations regularly purchase trophies and awards. Combining laser cutting, engraving, and creative design can create a profitable local manufacturing business. Number 12. Indoor plant pot manufacturing. Indoor gardening continues growing worldwide. Stylish concrete, ceramic style, or decorative planters can be manufactured in small batches and sold online or through local retailers. Number 13. Printed packaging box manufacturing. Small businesses constantly need custom packaging solutions. A garage-based unit can produce branded boxes and packaging materials for local businesses and e-commerce sellers. Number 14. Bicycle accessories manufacturing. Cycling remains popular for fitness, transportation, and recreation. Manufacturing small accessories such as bottle holders, storage organizers, repair stands, and custom mounts can serve a growing market. Number 15. Educational toy manufacturing. Parents increasingly seek educational toys that encourage creativity and learning. Manufacturing simple educational kits, puzzles, and learning tools can create a sustainable business with repeat customers. The biggest advantage of micromanufacturing is that it allows entrepreneurs to start small, test products quickly, and expand gradually without taking massive financial risks.